If you are an Etsy seller, you know that one of the most important factors in growing your business is visibility. The more people who see your shop and your products, the more likely you are to make sales and build a loyal customer base. But with so many other sellers on the platform, how can you make sure your shop stands out? The answer lies in understanding and mastering Etsy search. Etsy's search algorithms are designed to help shoppers find the items they are looking for, but they can also be a powerful tool for sellers. By optimizing your listings and using strategic keywords and tags, you can increase your shop's visibility in search results and attract more potential customers. That's where the ultimate guide to Etsy search comes in. This comprehensive course is designed to help you navigate Etsy's search algorithms and take your shop to the next level. We will start by covering the basics of Etsy search and how it works. You'll learn about the different factors that influence search rankings, such as relevance, recency, and customer reviews. We will also discuss the importance of using high-quality photos and writing compelling product descriptions that capture shoppers' attention. From there, we will dive into the nitty-gritty of optimizing your listings for search. You'll learn how to conduct keyword research and choose the best keywords and tags for your products. We will also cover how to write effective titles and descriptions that incorporate your keywords without sounding spammy or manipulative. But optimizing your listings is just the beginning. We will also explore other strategies for improving your shop's visibility and attracting more customers. You'll learn how to use social media and email marketing to drive traffic to your shop, as well as how to take advantage of Etsy's advertising options to reach even more potential buyers. Throughout the course, you'll have access to step-by-step guidance and practical tips from experienced Etsy sellers. We will share our own success stories and best practices, as well as mistakes we have made and lessons we have learned along the way. By the end of the course, you'll have a deep understanding of how Etsy search works and how to use it to your advantage. You'll be able to optimize your listings, attract more customers, and grow your business like never before. So what are you waiting for? Join us on this exciting journey and unlock the full potential of your Etsy shop.